Okay, welcome back. And now I want to show you here how you are going to create multiple methods, and using the methods how you will access your this one JDBC program. Then what I told, you should create one method called like a init, and there you should use this try catch block, and there you have a limited step. So this connection part you should make a global. This connection you should make a global. Because of that, what benefit you will get, this connection automatically will ready here. So if anyone will call, they can use this connection. Even what you can do, you can give return type of this method also. You can use as a connection. So if anyone will call in it, connection will ready, and that connection anyone can utilize, or even directly also you can call. So this init method everywhere, if you will write like this, suppose init method I'm going to write, so this init method I will write in all the method inside the delete. This is the way to do the programming in real. So here, yes, I'm writing this init everywhere. If you will see, writing the init part. Now yes, it is ready. Now here you have not to comment many code. If you want to write a statement, or if you want to write a prepared statement, you can write. Suppose for inside query, this prepared statement I'm going to cut from here, and yes, directly I want to write in create profile. So after that here, directly I want to write here, and then ready to execute. So for execution part, yes, see the same data I'm going to copy and paste here. So what I'm doing, I'm only decorating, not doing any specific task here. Only I'm decorating the same example. See here I'm decorating, and after that you can say that insert, after inserting, okay, you can print this execute update, and here your execute update part will run, and using the if condition where we have put it this all comment. Now this if condition you can write here directly. So yes, this is the program. You can say this program is ready for your or this one insert query. It is fully ready for insert query. There are no problems. Now, in the same way, to delete profile, you can use the same information here, same init, same information. You can suppose here I'm going to copy paste, and here I'm going to write. So you can use here your delete query, delete from. Here you can write here, delete from ITC imply where. So your where condition you can use where name equal to question mark. So now here only one value, only one question mark value you have to set, and after that you can write here, you can write data deleted successfully or could not delete. So you will feel, oh, it is very easy and it looks good. Means it is fully, organized way to do that. Like that, for edit profile, you can edit, the record, same code you can write here. Already for edit part we have written, suppose with the help of, most of the time you should use prepared statement code. Most of the time you should do with prepared statement here. So here I'm going to write, suppose here the update query. So already suppose update query, I already have written this one, this update query I have. So this query I'm going to copy, and after that here I want to paste this. So in place of this, see I'm using this update query, and only in update query value of email will be question mark, and value of name will be question mark. And these question mark value you have to write here ps dot set string. Since you have two question mark, so value of first question mark is suppose this one, the email, so ss at ee.com, anything you can write there. So yes, this is also ready, means data updated successfully you can write, and here could not update. you can use. So yes, that is also ready. In the same way, what you have to do, you can write the record for view profile. In view profile, you can take the input like this select query. What the select query you have, directly you can write your prepared statement, and inside the prepared statement you can take the select query here. So suppose here I'm going to write, suppose connection, suppose this select query, suppose this is, suppose, okay, this example, suppose I'm going to do with statement, simple statement concept. This example I want to do. So here, okay, inside view, my statement is ready. Now I want to run this while loop, and inside the while loop, first I want to run the select query here, and then want to run the while loop. So this while loop, yes, we can you can use here, and finally you can get your result. And here, since you want to select a particular record, so you can use where suppose name equal to question mark, and value of this name you can set, value of the name you can set there. Since you are using here, okay, since I'm not going to use prepared statement, I'm using here only the statement. So even the value directly you can pass here. Suppose there, if I'm using Rajesh, so yes, that value I'm passing. So Rajesh related data here, what it will do, it will display the data. So hope meaning is what? In this way you can write. If you have to search a profile based on the name, you can search the profile. If you have to view all profile, then what you can do? You only the query will be up to this stage. Means for the view profile here, I'm going to write suppose the code, and the code will be same. There I don't want to write the where condition, and yes, now yes, it will work perfectly. So that is also ready. Now from public static void main, what you will do? Okay, for callable statement, suppose one more I'm calling, suppose this is my callable statement part, and callable statement, suppose here writing, suppose here in place of search profile, okay, uh, insert via a callable. Suppose this is my query, and here I'm going to write my callable statement, and finally if it will be executed, then here I want to print the message, means yes, inserted successfully. Then see here, insert via callable, and yes, so that is also ready. So now here what will happen, all the steps what I have written, that all steps not required, we can delete these all steps here. Nothing is required, nothing is required, no try catch block, nothing is required. Now your code is very clean. What you will do, only from public static void main, what you can do, you can take here some switch case, you can write here some switch case, and with the help of buffer reader, you can take the input from user. So see, to take input from user, use here buffered reader, buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader. I'm using new buffered reader, and inside that you can use new input stream reader here, input stream reader, input stream, you can use reader here, yes, input stream reader, and you can write here system.in. And what I want to do, what is my target, it will ask you to handle exception also when you will read. So better here, okay, I don't want to handle, so directly you can use throws exception here. Actually that exception is IO exception, so you can write here in this way. And these all buffer reader and input stream reader, these all classes are available inside one package called import here java.io.star. So I'm going to import this particular package. Now it is fully ready here. What next you have to do, you ask for the input, ask the input from the user system.out.println, and you can use here means and take the input from the user, means enter your choice. Before entering the choice, you can take here the menu. You can print the menu like this, means press 1 for insert, press 2 for like that menu. I want to create here like a main menu for my program. And now here you can use system.out.println and you can write and you have since multiple option. I'm not going to write all the options here, like press 1 for in create profile, and like that press 2 for delete profile, press 3 for edit profile. So in this way what it will do here, like press 2, press 3, press 4, press 5, press 6, like that, press 2 for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, suppose here. So here for a delete profile here, you can use delete profile, you can use here edit profile, you can use here view profile, you can use here insert with callable, and last one view all profile. Okay, suppose it is ready. Now you will ask the user, enter your choice. So here you are ready to ask, enter your choice. So user enter your choice. Now user will enter the choice. That choice how you will read, you have to read in this way. Suppose in form of integer I am going to read there integer dot parse int, because any string when you will read the data that always will be in string format. So buffer reader what you have created, br dot read line is one method. Using read line method you will be able to get the particular line, and based on that you can attach the switch case here, switch value of I, and after that inside that you have to create multiple cases. This time you have suppose case 1, and after that here break, like that. What you will do here, this case you will copy, and finally here case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, and finally last one will be default, and you can display there the wrong choice here, wrong choice. And yes, it is perfect, your switch case is ready. Now in case 1 you have to call the method of suppose create profile. Since all the methods are non-static, then you have to use the method with the help of object of this class. This class is JDBC, JDBC underscore demo. Suppose J equal to here j equal to new. I'm using this JDBC underscore demo, and yes, object is ready. Since all are the non-static method, this is the reason I'm creating the object. And here j dot I want to use a method called here create profile. Yes, done. Like that, case 2 delete profile, case 3 here edit profile, case 4, case 5, here case 6. Okay, and now here I'm ready to write j dot delete profile here. So I have a delete profile like that here. See, in this way generally you will do the program. Why I'm doing this? Because your confidence, because it is the 5th week of Java, and your confidence level will boost because of this. As much you will do the practice, your confidence level will boost. J dot here I want to check the view profile. In case next case I want to use here j dot insert record with callable. Yes, and the last one is view all profile here, j dot view all profile, and yes, done. So now your program is ready. Now if the same program you will execute, same program, everything is same, no change. If you will execute the same program here, then see what result will come. See here, if I'll execute, I'm using here Java C, and if there are no error, okay, default colon wrong choice, okay, semicolon I have not inserted, then see here, I should, if I'm going to write any line, I should insert the semicolon. So here, if I will execute, suppose if I will compile, then there are this one, not a statement, default, okay, okay, here not directly, I should use at least system.out.println, system.out.println I should use here, and then here I should close. Yes, perfect, perfect. Now yes, we will compile this, and there are okay, here it is saying like a buffered, this buffered read, buffered spelling is wrong, so buffered reader here, buffered, buffered reader, right, buffered reader, so spelling was wrong there. Okay, okay, again we will compile and we will check for the result. Okay, and here rs dot address is this unreported exception. Okay, fine. So there inside the method, wherever I'm using these all methods, try to understand, with these all methods I'm using this prepared statement. So what I should do, we must handle exception. Since this time my focus is not the exception, already you are aware how to handle. So directly with all the method I'm going to write throws IU exception. See here, I'm using throws IU exception with first method, second method, third method, fourth method, and fifth method. Six also, yes, here. Yeah, so now it is perfect. And here, if I will compile now, after compilation, yes, you will see there it is saying like, oh, no, must be caught or declared to be thrown. I declared, might be I didn't save that. We'll check here, we'll check here, probably I have written here innate, after that I have written, okay, see, I in place of IU exception, that all are SQL exception, since I copied from there and there I have written the IU exception, because of that it is looking for, so better you can call the parent class here, and if you will call the parent class you will not face any problems. Now yes, all the problems solved. Yeah, so now we are ready to compile. Now if you compile, then here now the basic 6 error, it is using, here I am going to call view all profile. Okay, so whenever I am calling this all view all profile, and since inside the main method I am taking IU exception, so better in place of IU exception you take a exception. So exception is the parent class, so here you will not face any problem. Yes, it is compiled successfully. There are no issues. And now if you will run your program like a JDBC demo, if you will run, then see what it will do. It will display here one main menu. So now whatever, suppose if I'm going to create one and asking to create profile, then see here, message will come, data inserted successfully. So in this way, any program you will be able to execute. So hope you all are comfortable up to this stage. There are no issues. So thank you very much. In next week, we'll meet with the new concept of swing. Thank you very much.